the third choice, which is the increment up to come closest to the measurements you want. And I think once we start getting near the 10-inch measurements, we're going to want to install this piece, and I'll explain that language to you. The key is that you won't have any place to put hooks, so building it in is the next step. And I've taken it up to the largest measurements that we had discussed in the shop, which is 10 inches wide by about 46 inches long. 48 inches long. So proportionally speaking, we can chat about that, but that biggest measurement will allow you to have just about 1.5 inches border on each side, and it will allow you to keep the bevel border. So this comes closest to being close to the panel that you like. These are all options for size based on the limited amount of space we have for this 5.5 inch area in the middle. And then the next thing we'll discuss is how you would like to proceed with the interior. One of the things that I've done is I have taken each concept for the size of the window and really put down a list of possible places for colors. So on each window I'll have 1 to 6 for all of the areas for color. Some windows are 1 to 5 because we'll be missing a border on the 2 smaller increments. So I've done 1 to 6, and then I've done 2 to 6, and then I've done 2 to 6C and 2 to 6E, so that I could give you all the possible color combinations that you want that I think will work. As opposed to just randomly putting the colors together and scrambling them in there, what I really want to do is I want to give you a well balanced panel. So I'll be talking to you about this as we move along, but I want you to let you know that each window has a certain amount of space for glass with a couple little places to fudge, but for the most part we have to pick out a legend for each window and figure out where we want to put the glass, the colors that you've chosen for the greatest effect.